Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Irfan here from smartincubator.com and welcome to another live trading session. In today's video, I'm going to show you the trades that happened on GBPUSD and NAS100 that were beautiful, guys. It was beautiful. Today's Monday, April 18th. But before that, I want to show you the results of Gold Incubator, guys. As you can see, this is my FX book account, and today's April 18th. We are sitting at 68.11% profit since March 7th all the way to April 18th, and everything happened completely hands-free. And this is a real account. As you can see, this is my VPS account, and this is the account history. So these are all the trades that it took during London session in the past 8 hours. As you can see, all these trades were taken, and in total we are up $180.70 since April 1st, and today's date is April 18th. So if I want to go to the trade, so you can see the balance here, the account is live, everything's real, and here we are with the results. So you can try Gold Incubator for 7 days for free, guys. If you want to trade completely hands-free, you don't want to get involved in the market, and you don't want to analyze anything yourself, then you can try it for 7 days. Try it on a demo account to see how it works for you, and if you're happy with the results, go ahead and sign up with a real one. So without any further ado, let's get into our breakdown on NAS100. So NAS100, guys, as you know, I always wake up at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the first thing I do is to analyze the market on 5-minute time frame and 15-minute time frame. So this is exactly 8 in the morning, which in my time is 6 a.m. So the first thing I noticed was this high probability demand zone, which is exactly below this level right here. So this is a 5-minute time frame. So the first thing I do is to try to identify all high probability supply and demand zones, and try to target those areas and make sure that the actually price bounce back around those areas. So one of them is here, right here. The other one is right here. See, we have two high probability demand zones, and we have on a 5-minute time frame, and we don't have any high probability supply zones. And if I want to look left, you'll see that there is no high probability supply zone around this area, except this one right here, which is too far. But you know, this we just identify whatever that we can see, and it's not too far. So this is too far from our current price. So if you want to reach this level, guys, it probably takes a long time, not for our scalping session. And if I switch my time frame to 15-minute time frame, I noticed that this is already broken. Look at this. This is a 50-minute supply zone, demand zone, high probability demand zone, because we take the last two candles. These are the last two bearish candles, and after that we had a huge spike towards the upside. This one never tapped into the zone, so that's why it was a high probability demand zone. But right now, as you can see, this candle broke below this box, which made this one invalid. But if I switch it to 5-minute time frame, you'll see that it's still not kind of tapped into. But in 15-minute time frame, we are going to remove this one. But what I noticed is this high probability order block from here all the way to here. Can you see that, guys? In 15-minute time frame, this is the last bearish candle, and after that we have a space because this is the first candle that broke above the box, and the next candle after that never tapped into the zone. So that's why it left a little bit of gap from here to here. See, there's a little bit of gap from here to here, so that's why this is a high probability demand zone in 15-minute time frame, and I'm going to remove this one. So you can switch your time frame to 5-minute time frame, and then right here what you can do, you can wait for the price to tap into this level, or you wait for the price to tap into this level. And if you have a good confirmation on a 5-minute time frame, then you can take your buy position, because right now we have multiple breakout structures towards upside. We have higher highs and higher lows, so it means that the trend of the market is towards up, which is uptrend. So this one is broken, it's invalid. Right now this candle tapped into this level, so the next thing I do is to wait for a better confirmation to enter my trade. As you can see, this candle is a doji one, and it kind of got rejected towards upside, so you need to wait for the next candle after that. As you can see, we have a bullish engulfing candle. So when you see this pattern right here, so first of all, it's uptrend. Second of all, you have a high probability demand zone in 15-minute time frame. And third of all, you have a bullish engulfing candle right after the candle tapped into your zone. So it means that you have that high probability order block. Now you break it down to 5-minute time frame. You can see this high probability order block, this bullish engulfing candle, and then you can take your buy position here, put your stop loss here, and then you can take it from 1-to-1 right here, because this is our next high probability supply zone that might get respected and then do a reversal. Or you can take your 1-to-1 here and your second trade all the way to here, so you can have two positions. one from here to here and the other one from here to here, and this is exactly what happened. So this one hit, now you wait for this one. As you can see, this one hit as well. So you can literally take 2 profitable trades just using high probability order blocks, guys. And as you can see, I never used a single indicator, pure price action, identifying zones, not even support and resistance. It's just high probability supply and demand zones, not even Fibonacci. Sometimes I do use Fibonacci, but most of the times the first thing I do is to try to find high probability order blocks, and if I couldn't find them, then I look into other structures or liquidity graph, Fibonacci, or whatever that is kind of involved in my own strategy. And that's how you do it, guys. So you wait for this price to tap into this level, and then you can take your one-to-one position, or you can actually have 2 trades and take like the second one here. But if you want to leave a runner, guys, it would be even way better, because as you can see, it's just going up and up and up. But I don't know whether it tapped into this level or not, but it still haven't done that. Let me just get out of this. Okay, so as you can see, it came down here again, but this one is invalid. So now, in my opinion, it's trying to reach this level right here. That's why it's leaving a lot of gaps. And in 15-minute time frame, we don't have any high probability order blocks. So that's why in this case we just need to wait for a better for a good reversal, and then we can use our Fibonacci level from the bottom all the way to where it's going to end, and then we can identify this zone right here. So in this case, we just need to wait for a good reversal and see after that what we can do, because this is a high probability order block, and I think that it's going to tap into this level. So this is NAS100. Let's get into GBPUSD real quick and show you exactly what happened here. Super simple, the same concept, but I want to show you both of them, and I'm going to do a little bit of replay exactly 8 in the morning. Okay, so for GBPUSD, guys, as you can see, there's one high probability demand zone from here to here, because this candle here, the candle after that never tapped into the zone, so that's why there's a gap in between. So that's why it's a high probability order block. So this is a 5-minute time frame, and here I can notice a huge gap. See, from here to here, there's a huge gap. So it means that the price is trying to reach this level to fill in all the gaps. And also, we had this high probability supply zone right here. Can you see it, guys? From here, the entire candle, and then after that, the candle dropped significantly, never tapped into the zone, and this is the first time it's happening, so there's a high chance. So now it became invalid, so you need to delete it immediately, and you just wait for a confirmation. Also, yeah, one here too, from here to here. So you just need to wait for a better confirmation to take your buy or sell position. So since we don't have any high probability order block here, we just need to wait, guys, because even right here we have so many gaps. So it means that it probably respects this high probability order block. We don't know yet. You just need to wait for the price. So as the price is trying to create higher highs and higher lows, we are creating more high probability demand zones and supply zones. So this one is the first one, and you just need to wait for this one to see how it reacts. Look at this, guys. If I zoom in, this is not tapped into. So I'm trying to see if I really zoom in. Yeah, it actually tapped into it this level. So that's why I'm not going to take this trade, because it literally came down, made it invalid. Even this one is probably a good one. See, this is not invalid. So this is a really good one, guys. Look at this. First of all, we have an uptrend. Okay, so it's creating higher highs and higher lows. We have a high probability demand zone here, although we have so many gaps below that, and also we have a high probability demand zone here, but this one is respected. It never broke below this level, so it's exactly at the same level. So in this case, because we kind of have a bullish engulfing candle, because it wicked up the previous candle, then you can take your buy position from here, put your stop loss here, and then you can literally take a one-to-one position if you want to. And if I want to move forward, you see that this is what happens. So you can literally take a profit, one-to-one risk to reward ratio, just because of these two candles here, because these are good confirmation that the price might go up and hit your TP. So now this one is invalid. You just wait for the next one. So the next one is this high probability demand zone right here, because this candle never tapped into this zone. So we'll wait for the next one to see how it reacts. So we have a doji, we have another good candle here, but in my opinion it's better not to take it because of these gaps below this level and also here. So let's see what happens. Yeah, as you can see, this has become invalid just because of the gaps below this level. Even right here, I personally wouldn't recommend to take it, but it would be profitable if you took it. But after that, it's probably not working because it's so close to the gaps below the level. So this one became invalid, and after that, it's just trying to reach this level here. So now it tapped into our high probability demand zone, and here we have a really good momentum. So if you take it from here and one-to-one trade, see, even this one is invalid because it literally stopped us out and it broke below this box. So this one became invalid immediately. So now it's trying to actually create lower lows and lower highs. I didn't take this trade, guys. I mean, I didn't get it stopped out right here. I tried to get into this trade, but I didn't. I just traded NAS100. But since I saw this structure, I wanted to share it with you guys that what would have happened if you wanted to enter the trade. I personally didn't enter the trade. It was only NAS100, but this one would be a good one-to-one trade. It was a beautiful one, but after that it just broke a few structures and creating lower lows and lower highs. Now we have a downtrend market. So but this is a high probability order block, so you can wait for this one right here to get tapped into, but this is already too late. It's out of my trading hours, but the only thing that it could actually take was this one right here. So this is a high probability order block. It literally tapped into this level, as you can see, rejected towards downside, and then we could take our trade from here all the way to down, just because the price, or I would say the trend, is downtrend and it's creating lower lows and lower highs. Look at this, it's creating lower lows and lower highs. That's why this is a high probability supply zone, and after they tapped into this level, then you can take your sell position here and then actually close your profit right here. That's it, guys. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so next time when I upload a video you'll get notified. And by the way, you know what to do about Gold Incubator. If you want to give it a try for 7 days for free, go ahead and do it now. But if you have any question, feel free to ask me. So thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one.